Jesteśmy firmą rodzinną i jesteśmy z tego
AHB
dumni.
Service is a family business, and we're really proud of it. We're really happy that we can work with the same engineers for many years and that we can count on them. We are also open to train new, young people who want to work in this profession. Our parents have given us possibilities to fulfill in our job. We can say with absolute certainty that our work brings us a lot of satisfaction and new challenges.
Stale inwestujemy w
We are constantly investing in new equipment and diagnostic devices. This is essential if we are going to be able to become more and more competitive. Recently, we built a larger workshop to be able to respond to our clients' needs. AHB Service has been providing maintenance services on all continents for over 30 years. We specialize in repairs of diesel engines worldwide at the sea and in the port, including the complete replacement of main and auxiliary engines during the mooring in ports or shipyards all over the world and repairing engines at sea. Our services include comprehensive mechanics, grinding, insight crankshafts, supply of spare parts, reconditioning of components, correction of crankshaft journals microgeometry, replacement of crankshafts and engines, honing of cylinder liners, electronic verification of engine parameters, crankshaft hardness testing and non-destructive testing. In the range of our activity, we can also offer overhauls and repairs of different types of main and auxiliary gearboxes, overhaul of CPP steering systems and other auxiliary devices such as pumps, compressors, heat exchangers. We specialize in the services of such engines as Sulzer, Wärtsilä, MAN B&W, Mack, Yanmar, Daihatsu, SKL, Bielstik, Bergen, Nohab.